All right, welcome to Midnight Forex Trade Setups Pre-London Session Analysis. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin a little bit, just very quickly, just to show you a trade setup setting up there, and then we'll just look at the market and see if we can find some trade setups happening on the Forex and see what's going on with the majors, which are DXY pairs, and see how we're doing. So welcome everybody. Chime in. Let me know where you're from, how long you've been trading the Forex, if you do trade the Forex, and let me know what pairs you like to trade. I may take chart requests. I'm not sure. Probably not. But we'll see how this live goes. First time I've ever done this. I'm usually up this late anyway, so I thought maybe it might be a good idea to jump in and see how many guys are out there trading the Forex or getting ready to pre-London. So 2 hours before London Open right now. So we'll see what we get here. So let me know who you are, where you're from, and if I don't know you, I'd love to meet you. Kansas City, Zach, man, I'm only an hour and a half north of you, buddy. An hour and a half north. I'm in Maryville, so we're neighbors, buddy. Welcome. Hey, okay from Aussie. We'll see if we can look at XRP. This is primarily Bitcoin and Forex this midnight. We'll see if we can look at XRP. So let me find you guys on my phone here. So what's up, Rev? How's it going, buddy? Video and audio good, guys? Cleveland, Kimosabe, Cleveland. Hmm. All right, I got the chat pulled up here. Overland Park, yeah, cool, man. I was just there for a wedding towards not there. I was actually in where was I? I was in Lee Summit for a wedding a couple weekends ago. So yeah, very good. All right, let's jump in. Looks like there's eight of you here. We'll probably start out small. Hopefully, as people find me on YouTube, we'll do these fairly on a regular basis. So San Diego, all right, cool, man, from California. Um, Cleveland, India, nice. All right. All right. So I'm trading the DXY pairs generally speaking. So let's look at DXY and see what she's doing here. I'm um, expecting a move to the down. Well, there's a couple ways we can look at DXY here, but I'm expecting probably most likely this move right there. So between now and through London, looks like we're going to get a move to the upside like that, and I would say probably somewhere in New York time get a reversal to the downside. That's my guess based upon the wave structure here. Just giving an analysis here based on what I'm seeing in the wave. So basically what that structure would be a three wave move like here, a little bit of a correction. Zooming out, looking at DXY, we are in a larger move. Could be coming. Let's see. Let me get my fibs here. Yeah, it could be coming down here to the 127 extension right here. So most likely gonna make our way down to here. Okay, I would guess once that move is finished, um, again, we're gonna get up here and finish this correction. This is a larger correction. Um, that's the way I'm seeing it for now. I could be wrong. Obviously, I could always be wrong. This isn't financial advice, but we haven't made uh, the one to one extension yet. I could do it a couple of ways here, but yeah, we haven't hit the one to one extension. So I'd like to see us get up in here before we get our final hit to the low with DXY. Okay, we're going to hit this low again, most likely, and then have a major reversal to the upside. It's going to be big in the coming weeks. So that's the way I'm seeing, and we get a W bottom here for DXY. So what's up, Tommy T? Yeah, we just started, buddy. Just started. So yeah. So that's my take on DXY for now. So this is my bigger picture. Let me zoom out here just to kind of give you the big picture, what I'm seeing here. So this looks like a triangle here. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, but C's not finished. 1, 2, 3. All this is 4. Going to get a fifth wave down and then reversal. I think that's kind of what I'm looking for. Got a lot of liquidity down here. Going to come up and snag it and then head on up. But we're going to make our way down there in a choppy way. That's the way I'm seeing DXY for now. Sorry, I'm just eyeballing. I'm trading Aussie right now, so I'm just eyeballing it. So that's kind of what I'm looking for in DXY. DXY might even come on down here to retest that low. I don't think we're heading up from here. I'm not sure. I don't think we're heading up. If we do head up from here, then it's going to go up in a leading diagonal formation, most likely. So we're going to get this. If we're going up from here, I don't think so, but we could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Leading diagonal. I don't think that's the case, but you never know. Okay. What's up, Baton Rouge, Louisiana? Welcome, Wonder Boy. Welcome. What's up, Andres? I didn't say hi to you, but glad you're here. All right, there's 23 of you watching, so cool. Just curious how many people are interested in Forex. Hope if you're a first-time viewer, let me know. Let me know if this is the first time you found my channel. I'd be interested to know how many of you found this Forex channel tonight. So, all right. So let's look at the small time frame. See what we're looking at for London for now. What I'm expecting. What I'm looking at. What's up, Max? You made the first one. I'm glad you made it, bro. Glad you made it, man. That's my boy right there. All right. So DXY, this move, we got a major move to the downside. Okay, getting a correction. I'm expecting this to turn into a three-wave correction and then down. Okay. Doesn't have to do that. This could be the three waves, and then now we're heading down from here. Could do that as well. So be ready for that. We could form a what do you call it? A flat here. We got a three wave up, a three wave. Let me see if I can get this a little bit better. We got a three wave down, expanded flat, break the low here, and then go up for 5 quick, and then down. Okay. That's another formation I'm seeing potentially, so we'll wait and see what we get there. Yeah, I think DXY is close to reversal. One more push down, I think, tonight, at least between now and London. One more hit, and then up. It's going to hit up during London. So between now and London, I think we're going to get one more push down to the low. I'd like to see that happen personally. Give me a better entry on Aussie as well. So what's up, man? Hey, thanks, Andres. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. So yeah, not exactly sure. Lower time frames hard to predict. You know how choppy Forex is, but we always try to get look for potential moves so we can kind of be ready for them, right? So anyway, so really remember DXY. If DXY is going up, then the Aussie and the Euro are going down, right? And UCAD and UJ are going up with the DXY. So DXY is going to go up and correlate with UJ and UCAD. Whereas if it's going if the DXY is going up, then that means Aussie and Euro are going down. Okay. All right. Oh man, I'm so stupid. I gave up my position, guys, because I was getting cute with the market. The market will always, if you think you know what the market's doing, it will always mess you up. Always, always. Always, always, always. Okay. Okay, so those are the possibilities for DXY. So let's see what we get. Looks like we're getting a bit of a reversal now. So be careful. Be careful here. But again, this looks reversalish. That looks reversalish. This looks like it needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more down. One more down. We've got time. We've got time for sure. All right, so that's the DXY analysis. I'm looking for. So I'm basically for London, looking for this move there. Okay, that means I'm kind of looking for a down move in the euro, looking for a down move in Aussie. So let's look at the euro dollar now and see what it might be doing. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Wax? How's it going, buddy? Good to see you, dude. All right. You guys can check out my boy Trading Shapes there. I'm in his group, and we don't often see the same things, but great trader and good analysis. So check out my boy Wax Trading Shapes. Check out his YouTube channel, and you might check out his group as well. He's got a good Forex group. My Forex group is growing and building, and we're all having a good time. So, yeah. All right. All right, let's look at Euro, see what's going on. You see we got a three-wave move here. It's a 5, 3, and a 5, looks like. Um, it's a tough little formation right there. Might even say we've got a three-wave move here, a three-wave move there, and now we're getting a three-wave move down here. So that kind of looks like it um, might be the shape there. So that's kind of supporting a down move. This is kind of a no man's land right here. I'm not hard to tell if we're going to get an up move first before down. Hard to tell that. So okay. Let's take a peek at Aussie here. See what I'm seeing here. Aussie's a little clearer. I've been trading it a lot lately, so I'm a little bit more familiar with the chart. I'm not sure if we have a triangle working here or not, but it certainly looks good on paper. But I don't think it's a triangle. What it appears to be here, we've got a three-wave move in there. We got a nice three-wave move in there. It appears, we're doing something like that right there. That's a WXY potentially. WXY. We'll see if we get that or not. Oh, got the wrong one there. X, Y, and so we'd need basically 3 waves to the downside. Let's. Oh, sorry, I'm getting a notification there. So let's see here. Yeah, doesn't look finished to me to the upside. It could be, but it doesn't look greatly finished. But we do have divergence here on the 1 hour chart. We've got down move, up move. That's what's given us this divergence here. But we could have another little push here before down. But that's kind of what I'm seeing right now. Smaller time frame. Came here to the 786 in a 3 wave move. Boom. No. Looks like it wants to head down. DXY is making a kind of reversal move, but again, we could get that quick and then that. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. Kind of what I'm expecting. Nothing ever goes straight up or straight down, does it, guys? So even though this looks pretty heavy to the downside, a lot of times they take it up and then down. Who's to say? But down is my bias right now for EU and AU. That's my bias. But again, we're looking for sell setups is what I'm personally looking for now. I believe, unless the market tells me something different. But I'd like to see again the DXY. Where is my arrow? There it is. Do that. Before down, like that. So that's what we're looking for there on AU. Okay. Let's see. Let's check out NZD and see what's going on there. NZD's got quite a bit of a push here. It's might be heading up here to the 2618, but yeah, I don't know. It's kind of converging here in this area. There we go. Excuse me 1 second, guys. Okay. Right. It's kind of making the same formation as AU's concerned. Just kind of take a peek at the repetition here. I mean, just kind of those flats are so common in this stinking market. It's unreal. Yeah, kind of straight down move, kind of waiting on that, aren't we? We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. But again, that would be contingent upon DXY coming on down, which looks like it again. So that's my bias again on all of these for now. Is up moving DXY, down moving EU, NU, AU. Let's look at UCAD. See what's going on. I trade 15-minute to the 1 hour. Sometimes I trade. Sometimes I'm using the 1 minute chart for analysis. So yeah, I'm trying to pull you guys up here. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, so I've used the 1 minute chart to kind of look at the wave structure. I trade wave structures, wave shapes, which kind of help me understand where the wave is heading. So For instance, on the 1 minute here, it looks like we have a double zigzag here. We got a three-wave move down, three-wave move up, and then we've got another three-wave move there. So um, could be impulse, but looks more corrective than it does impulse to me on the 1 minute chart. All right, let's look at UCAD, see what's going on. 4 hour, try to do my general analysis on the 4 hour, and then we kind of come down. Seeing hidden bull divergence right here on the on UCAD, right here. So we got price making higher lows while RSI is making lower lows. That's hidden bull divergence. It's kind of calling for an up move on the 4 hour chart. It has already started to that up move, but that doesn't mean we can't get a retest, but it's already kind of begun. Maybe we're going to get a if DXY gives us this move today, it's going to let UCAD come on up as well. So that again kind of confirms the bias a little bit. Nice. Where'd you find it? On the ground where? Yeah. Okay, that's my daughter. Sorry, guys. So yeah, this looks corrective to me. I didn't. Looks like it needs to hit the low one more time, or come on down first. This is the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour, okay, we got a three-wave move to the 1-to-1, 127. So this is kind of a reversal zone here. So basically, it was. See a three-wave move here. If it continues on to the 1618, it'll get impulsive, and we'll consider that more of an impulse move to the upside. But if we get reversal off this area, look for another hit to the low before up, and that would correlate with another move, like with AU, for instance, that other hit to the high I was talking about, to the 1-to-1 extension. Hasn't quite reached the 1-to-1 extension yet, so I was kind of looking for that here on this wave right there. Okay, didn't quite make the 1-to-1 or the 127, so I'd like to see it come on up. This is the 1 minute chart. Okay, but I'd like to see this come on up. That'll give us a push up, and then a down move maybe during London. So that's kind of the way I'm seeing that. So again, what we're trying to do is use the smaller time frames. Larger time frames to get a bias. Smaller time frames to see how could this play out during the sessions, because the sessions, the bank sessions are when the moves happen, right? So we're looking for 2 a.m. my time, and we're going to see what's going on, as time progresses. But this looks like it might, on the 1 hour, make its way up to the 127 extension and give us maybe a downward push here. No sign that we've got really kind of strong divergence here on the 1 hour chart. You can see how the RSI is kind of surpassing this peak right here, whereas price is unable to get there. So that's hidden bearish divergence. So it looks like there's some bearish divergence here that all it could do, what that would do is support a move to the downside. Okay, that would support this. We'd probably get bullish divergence there, and then up we go. Okay, which is the bias on the 4 hour chart. That's the bias on the 4 hour chart. So maybe down and then up. We'll have to wait and see. All right. There's UCAD. Let's look at UJ and see what we're looking at. Same kind of stuff here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Kind of see what's UJ is doing. Let me remove all my drawings here. Wow, I don't ever trade UJ at all, but I'm just going to chart it for you guys. Man, that is an ugly chart. But what it looks like to me, wow, I'm not sure. Yeah, so this looks like an ending diagonal here. Right there. It looks like an ending diagonal. So it looks like, for me, we've got an A, a B, and a C right there. It could be finished, and then this is that impulse to the upside, or is that corrective? Yeah, this looks more corrective here. A, B, C. So yeah, that looks like, so it looks like we're getting a WXY here. So I'm looking for an imminent down move first, but up is going to be the bias, I would think. So the way I'm looking at this right now, I'll keep that there, is that's W. There's an X move. Now we're looking for a Y. So you got a move, a three-wave move, and now down. So it looks like UJ wants to come down. Whether we got another push to the upside before down, I'm not sure. Let's do some charting on that and see what we got going on here. Sorry, I'm just checking out my AU trade there. Okay. All right, this looks like a flat. Yeah, it looks pretty close to finished. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not sure about that one, guys. Could be finished. Hard to tell on that one. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what's going on. That's a tough wave right there, buddy. But the way I'm looking at it is this is a three-wave move, and now we're going to get a five-wave move to the downside. So it looks like it's going to get a wave up first and then down. And that would, again, kind of correlate to this move to the upside with the DXY before down. So I don't trade UJ a lot, so I'm not sure about its its patterns. So that's kind of just what I'm seeing for now. Yeah, that just looks very corrective right there. This looks like a three-wave move in the middle. So 5, 3, 5 right there, and then we got boom, boom, and now I'm looking for that. That's the way I'd see it for now. All right, there's some trade setups for you guys as far as what we're looking for on the Forex here for this next coming London session. Let's check out UChief and we'll be done with Forex, and then I'll give you some Bitcoin analysis. ECAD. Let me take a peek at ECAD here. Let me look at UChief first, and then I'll look at ECAD. Well, let's see here. UChief on the 4 hour. Yeah, see, UChief looks finished to the downside. It looks really done. Unless we come down here to the 127, which very likely, very possible. But yeah, I see 3 moves here, right? Could be finished. The question is this impulse or is that corrective? We might come on down and then up. So yeah, I'm not sure about that one, guys. But yeah, that would correlate with a down move with and then up. So we might get that up move with DXY, then down, then up. But yeah, this is looking close to done. But it's just the same as the DXY. I think we're waiting for the up move here. Yeah, I'd like to see us get up here to the 1-to-1. That'd be nice right there. Then hit the low, then off we go. There. So that's kind of the way I'm seeing this. So again, that would correlate with DXY's move to the upside, like we're expecting, larger time frame. Okay, and then another hit to the low. So remember, my idea for DXY is we're going to get up here, actually larger time frame here. So I think we're going to, just tonight even just, do this trick. But I think we're poised to head up here to get to the 1-to-1 extension. Okay, pretty quickly. Then we're going to drop, most likely, come back, retest the low, maybe even take out that low, and then we'll be on our way. So that's larger time frame, and that kind of correlates with U-Chief, what I'm seeing with U-Chief longer time frame as well. Okay. All right, let's take a peek at ECAD. Guys, by the way, meet. I already mentioned trading shapes, but he's been one of my teachers. He looks a little differently at the market than I do, but really value his perspective and been a great guy to know. So definitely recommend his channel. Okay, ECAD. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that trash. Okay, here. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. I'll look at Mexican as well, buddy. I'll look at the USD Mexican there. Just a minute. What do I see here? Dang. I see this. Boom, boom, boom. That looks like one move. So that's 5, 3. Maybe. It's a tough one, man. Tough one. Could see it. Could see it this way. Yeah, that I like that better. So the way I'd probably do this one, Wall, is right there. There's 3 waves. There's 3 waves, and now we got 1. There's 3 waves in there. 2, and now we're looking for 3 waves to the downside right here. So ECAD looks down to me. Let's go to the that's 12-hour chart, man. So let's see. Yeah, I like that. So maybe this on ECAD. Oh, we'll just do. Come on. W, X, and Y. Y is kind of hard to see, but it's like Y is like boom, and then right there, and then down, and we'd be getting 3 waves like that. So bias is down. Let's look at the smaller time frame. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. See what we got. Yeah, I got hidden bearish divergence here. Pretty good on the 1-hour. Hidden bear looks great, man. It's good downside to me. I mean, look at that. We got continuation down here. So that's really beautiful. So just looking for the reversal retest, right? And then down we go. Is that what you're seeing, man? On ECAD, or do you have something different? Let's look at USD Mexican as well. I don't know if I have that in my chart. Do I? Do I have it in my? There it is. Yeah, I've never traded this one, by the way. Never traded USD Mexican. All right, let's look in the 12-hour. See what we got going on. Whoa, look at that. Look at that sucker. Okay, yeah, so we got the three-wave move to the downside coming up. How are we coming up? It looks kind of impulsive, but let's go to the 6 hour and see. Hmm. It looks like impulse to me, potentially, but that looks three-wave-ish to me. 3, 3, 5, running flat. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's hard. That's a hard one. That's a hard one. Yeah, I mean, we haven't hit the one-to-one extension. Neither has DXY. DXY hasn't, hit the one-to-one extension yet of this smaller move. So, uh, so yeah, I'm kind of looking. It kind of looks like we need to come up here with DXY, and then down for a hit, and then maybe up. That's kind of the way I'd see it. So I'd say you're looking for a long here, in the next day or so. That's the way I'm thinking about it. This correction is about over, but I think we're going to get a retest to the downside most likely. So, maybe a hit, maybe down, and then off to the races. Maybe that's the way I'm seeing it. All right, guys, let's take a peek at Bitcoin and see what's rocking over on Bitcoin here. There is a setup, guys, here to the downside that we can share, and let's go to the 2 hour chart to see it here. Okay. This is Bitcoin analysis now. For those of you, how many of you have been waiting this whole time for the Bitcoin analysis? This looks like it's. I mean, I've been calling this an expanded, not expanded, but a leading diagonal to the downside. That's the way I've been looking at this guy. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like so. That's the way I'm seeing it. We have a beautiful ABC pullback here. So let's label that guy A, B, C. Okay, so now we got a nice impulse to the downside again. All right, and then we're getting a WXY. So, in other words, I think the shape we're looking for now is we got a 1 and we're getting a 2, and then we're gonna or an AB, and we're gonna get well, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Oh, not that. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's where we're headed. Something like that. So let's put the fibs on that guy and see where we might be going. It would seem to me we're heading down here to the the 1-to-1 or the 1-2. We're probably at least to the 1-to-1 127 extension, but could be even the one could come and tag the 1618. So that's the way I'm looking at this. So this thing isn't finished. Let's look at this wave here. But this is where I think we're headed. Okay, so this is a big ABC correction. Unless it gets impulsive and comes down beyond that, then we're looking at big downside potential. So let's wait and see what kind of wave we get first, and then we'll go from there. Let me just check my Aussie trade. There we go. Come on now, get up there to the 1-to-1 extension and see if we get any more. Where'd my Bitcoin go? There we go. All right. So let me show my position here so y'all can. It was a kind of a crap position, really. But I'm in profit, and I'm about to get it. I was playing around with a little scalp, and they decided to take it down on me first. When you try to play with the market, that's what they do to you. All right. So yeah, I'm looking for a three-wave move there, BTC. Let's look on the 15-minute chart and let me show you what I'm seeing in this wave right here. So okay, so 30 minutes better. There we go. It's clear now. Clear as mud. All right, we're going to see here. There's our first wave, second. Okay, it's a WXY correction, guys. We always look for the one-to-one extension first. So the WXY that I'm seeing is right here, W, X, and now Y to come up here. Okay, and we're heading up. And I said this the other day, three-wave pullback. I said the setup was coming. And here it is. Okay, so the way we see the WXY needs three waves in each. So A, B, C. There's a zigzag. Okay, then we have another. Well, come on, another three-wave move there. Okay, and now we're getting a three-wave move here. So our last something like that. And once we get up here to the one-to-one extension, 127 extension, 9,500, 9,400, in that ballpark. Between those two is what I'd be looking at. I mean, we could, guys, I don't think so based on this wave shape, but we could get up even here to 96.40, but I wouldn't expect us to break the high. But if we get up this high, guys, it's going to imply some major downside. We'd have basically a 1-2-1-2 on our hands and major downside to come. Okay, so that's a big deal. Okay, that's a big deal. So if we get up pretty high, guys, we might have a 1-2-1-2 on our hands, which would imply big time moves to the downside, and it's going to go beyond where I've already mentioned. So we'll have to wait and see what we get. But I'm eyeballing 9,400 for my first target, and then 9,500 is my second target. If we go to 9,600, guys, it might be on to the downside like Donkey Kong. Now, if it breaks this high, if it breaks 97.82, guys, then we got something else on our hands, and I'm gonna have to revisit this count completely. Okay, so understand that potentiality. All right, guys. All right. Well, there is your analysis, guys. So what we're watching for right now is this WXY to finish out, and we're looking for 94, 95, and 9600. Those are our targets that we're looking for. Let me again show you how to pull the fibs, so we can see here. Boom, 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 like that. 1-to-1's first target, 1-2-7's the second target, 1-6-1-8's the third target. All right, and we watch it as it comes up. What kind of shape does it make? What's the wave structure as it comes up? Things like that. Okay. All right. We have reached my target there. I'm going to go ahead and close that position. There we go. All right. Let's see here. Well, remember, I'm calling for an up move first. In DXY, guy. So don't forget. Don't forget, I'm calling for an up move in DXY first. 2-hour chart. We're going to get a little move to the downside, right? Just a little move, and that correlates with a move to the upside of BTC. And then we're going to. I'm looking for a move up here, pretty strong, to get up here to finish this thing. Okay, that would be 3 waves, and that'd be another 3 waves. That'd be a WXY correction right there. So anyway, and then I'd expect a down move first again. So after that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fire a bullet here short, right here at this location. Boom. Oh man, I was a second too late. So I'm trading the Aussie dollar right now, and I hit my target at the 1-to-1 extension. Just kind of watching that area. So I like to ladder in at the fibs here. I think this is a good location to to possibly look short. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe too early yet. Hey, Rev, man, we'd look forward to having you in the group. Look forward to having you. Yep, no volume at all. It's just kind of, it's so boring. Oh, boom. There's a nice move to the downside. Love it. All right, let's see if we get the follow through. If we get a follow through down and then a pullback, I'll add more to the short. But we'll fire that bullet and see how we do. So, all right, guys. Any other questions? Any other pairs you wanted to look at as far as um, chemo? I usually just trade one pair at a time, buddy. I generally don't have multiple trades rocking. I just all I have time for. I'm so busy with everything I got going on. I'm usually tracking Bitcoin. I'm usually tracking a Forex trade. I'm working. I'm a contractor, so I'm a remodeler. And so I'm doing that all day. I'm a pastor as well, so I'm just got so much going on. Okay. Andy Money, I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. KNC USD. Oh, somebody asked for XRP earlier. Let me do XRP real quick because somebody asked for it. Let's go here. Um, XRP. Yeah. Let's see. XRP is actually a pretty decent chart. I like it, and I like the LTC chart a lot. You got a three-wave move here, three-wave move there, looking to finish this thing out. It looks close to done, but we haven't hit the one-to-one extension, so I'm expecting XRP to come on down here to 15 cents and 14 cents, okay, and then up, okay. So that's XRP for you. Really nice looking chart. Really nice looking chart there. Um, nah. XRP actually looks really good for now to see some upside. So there's XRP for you, and then let's see. And then what did we say? KNCUSD. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, we had hidden bullish divergence. I think I called that out the other night when somebody asked me to do this chart. Um, don't have any divergence at the top, but we are way oversold here on the 2 hour. Um, we have well, not hidden, but we have bearish divergence on the 6 hour. So watch out for that bearish divergence here. Looking short. This thing is looking short to me. Probably very soon. Very soon. So KNC is looking short. Short. That's the direction I would say. Oh, Vaughn, I'm just trying something new, man. I'm usually up this late trading the London session or getting ready for it. And so I just thought I'd pop on and see if anybody wanted to do some Forex analysis. So, yeah. All right, guys, I'm tired. That's an hour. Let's call it a night. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the what do you call it? The analysis. I hope it helps you. And you guys have a great night. If you want to be part of you get this kind of analysis all the time in our trading group. So if you need some of that and you need some help and want to learn how to trade or just want to learn Elliott Wave or just be a part of a trading group that does what you do, yeah, just join the Patreon. It's a great time. It's the first of the month, so join the Patreon group and we'll get you added to the group. All right, y'all have a fantastic evening. I hope you guys do well. Let's see, spreadsheet. See, Brentley's asking a question here. Um, hey, yeah, man, into money, no problem there. You're welcome, Andres. And then Brentley, does your spreadsheet include the spread? In other words, do you 17 pip trade to clear the 15? Uh, Basically, we're just looking for 15 pips in profit. So yeah, 15 pips in profit. Hey, thanks, Clay. Appreciate it, buddy. All right. You guys have a good night. Thanks for stopping by. Hope that TA was helpful to you. And yeah, take it easy. Good night.